Hi there, welcome to Evergreen FXX. In this video, I will show you how to register, subscribe and activate your account and input your trade settings on our website. First, log on to our website and click Register. Next, fill in your details. Input your phone number and click Get OTP. A one-time password will be sent to that number. Input it and continue. Click the check and register. You will then be redirected to your dashboard. Next, click Subscription and click View. Then click Pay Now. Copy the USDT wallet address and make the payment. After payment, your account will be activated automatically. Then, go to Trade Settings. Copy and paste your MT4 trade account ID and password. Select your broker and server. Note, do not copy and paste server. Rather, type it in or choose from drop-down options. If you are on mobile, switch to desktop mode to see the form. Next, click Connect to AI to continue. Wait for a few minutes for the login state to change to connected. Congratulations! Your account is all set up and ready for trading.